Spring in Ohio, Northwest Ohio. First I just want to go over a little bit of the tools and stuff that I'm using. I have various different things that'll need pounded in, tree stakes, stuff like that. One of my favorite tools to carry on me all the time, bare bones. Soil knife selection is amazing, as you can see. Very sturdy built, very good soil knife. It's gone through a couple of sharpenings and taken very well. As you can see, it's been used a little bit. It's been around for about 3 years and it's still in the condition that it's in. A hatchet just for getting out some weed trees and stuff as I'm going along. Good comfort gel. Got this at Simple Menards. Corona brand. Corona brand has some very good brands that I like to use on some small hand equipment and stuff. As you can see, this garden digging type hoe mini trowel. I have various types of hand pruners that I've used. Corona is just kind of a quick go-to at the store. I bypass pruners for sure. I go through A.M. Leonard to buy some of my more high-end hand pruners. They last a lot longer, keep the edge a lot longer, and are interchangeable, just to give you an idea of a couple of them. Corona also makes some good shears that I like, and this is for getting into tight space. I use a lot of times on roses and just tipping the tips of roses and stuff. So various other things. Another very common thing that I use is hand saws. I love hand saws. They help me take out very stubborn old wounds and stuff on trees that have been just let go. Everything needs a good cleaning this year and touched up sharpness, but we primarily use the same stuff every year. Good pair of hand gloves. Women just suggest a smaller pair, but these good sturdy hand gloves from Craftsman or any general leather gloves.